What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, it's time to go into Five Below again. It's been, I don't know, like a week or so since I've been in here, and I can't wait to see what's new. I might go ahead and film a back to school video. I haven't even decided. Anyways, you guys, come on in with me and see what's new. Let's just start over here. We have wireless controller chargers. The Elder Scrolls Online, Xbox One. We also have Rocket Arena. We have Starlink, Battle for Atlas. We have some color changing LED gaming mice. Has anyone tried these? These look really cool. Foldable phone stand. Ooh, I might need to get something like this. I wonder if this is like a gooseneck. I'm gonna put this in the cart and think about it. I need something like that for my ASMR channel. We have all sorts of flex and stick phone stands, Apple Watch and AirPod charger, little tripods, action camera grips. Look, you guys, we have Nintendo Switch clear cases, gaming stands, racing wheels, a cooling fan for the Switch. What? A silicone case. Ooh, a nice travel case. This feels just like the actual Nintendo Switch case that I got for Gator. It feels really, really good. And then we have different skins over here. A USB power LED cooling fan. This is smart. What? I also want to put this in my cart and see what it's like. I'm kind of interested. I feel like when I'm doing a lot of editing, sometimes my Mac gets kind of hot. Okay, let's see what's new over here. These pillows are new since last time. Super fuzzy and cute. I feel like we had something similar to this last year though. We have a variety of laundry bags over here. Oh, hello. Hi, Stitch. Ooh, look at these, you guys. Aren't these cute? Little velvet stools. Okay, I'm gonna sit down on one. It's pretty comfortable. It's pretty sturdy. I like it. Really, really cute. Speaking of cute, we have succulents, garbage cans. We have a little circle photo display. That's cute. These were here last time. Excuse me. No problem. That silver polish I was wearing is from here. You guys were telling me that you really liked it. It was the, what? $3 Essie. Since when did Five Below start carrying $3 Essie polish? That's a deal. This is the brand that I was wearing of the silver polish. But I don't think they have a lot of polishes anymore. They used to have a ton of polishes. 3D cashmere lashes. We have brand new mirrors, and it has a little storage compartment in the back. That is so cute. I really, really like that a lot. We do have some more polishes over here. The cute LA Colors polishes. Nails by LA Colors. These are $4.50. These are $4. We have $5 foundations by Wet n Wild. Ooh, this one looks so fluffy. The Big Papa mascara is here. It's been here for a while, but it's back in stock. The Big Papa for $5, $3.50. We have a $4 mascara. These are new over here. My Happy Face, $4.25. Just a Girl Who Loves Makeup. Let's see if we have any new hair items. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, they have the wet brushes here for $5. That is such a great deal. You guys know these go for like about $10 or more everywhere else. This one has glitter in it. This is so cute. So cute. And it's the last one too. I think these are new also. The sectioning and styling hair clips. I think these are new also. The dent-free ones, the dent-free clips. $2.25 for tweezers and a 10 times magnifying mirror. This is definitely new, you guys. The Bella Pro 2-in-1 styler, versatile flat iron and hot brush in one tool. What? I'm gonna put this in my cart. Another item to think about. I'm gonna show Birdy. My kids are with me today. They're not at home. Ooh, lots of tie-dye. Lots and lots of tie-dye. We have the sweatshirts with the matching sweats. We also have this color. We have lilac. Okay, let's go over here and see what else we have. We also have this sort of green color. So cute. And then over here we have some men's shirts, some little button-up shirts and t-shirts. These are the colors. I'm just having so much fun already looking around at everything. These are new, brand new. Also these are brand new. And these. And the daisies. Those are really cute. Let's go ahead and end right here. Let's see if we have any new beauty items. We have a Blur to Perfection Faux Filter Primer Potion. We also have a primer serum and a Keep It Glassy, what is this? An illumination primer. We have a vitamin C skin booster. This is a brightening eye cream. I think we see this brand in Dollar Tree, Spa Scriptions, 1.7 ounces. It's a facial serum, you get quite a bit. Eco Tools, essential oils, 6 for $5. Look at this one. This is a drying lotion, overnight acne relief, $3.25. Okay, you guys, join me in my very next video. I'm gonna show even more new items for the week. And look, we even have some new clearance back there, clearance clothes. Thank you guys so much for joining me here in Five Below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and join the Bunny Birdy Gator family. But all right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to come back to the very next video. We're gonna look at even more stuff. But all right, you guys, see you in the next one.